Just gunning it. Welcome back to Mid-10, y'all. Hopefully today, fingers crossed, will be the last day of soybean harvest. Got to get the combine serviced. We've got to make sure the grain cart don't have water in it. We've got to make sure the dump truck don't have, there it is. Make sure the dump truck don't have water in it. So we're getting everything squared away this morning. You look way across the field down there. Big Don's heading this way. He's done took one dump truck down to the next field. So we will get ready to move this one. See how much water's in it first. None. Good deal. So we'll service combine. Beer rolling on now. Now y'all can't tell from y'all's angle, but these beans are really short. They are probably only about a foot tall, and ain't doing too good. Ain't doing too good at all. Matter of fact, I cut more beans up there around the corner than I have in this whole back area. The darn deer on this farm are atrocious. I mean, they slap our beans out. And it's been probably 3-4 years since I put beans on this farm. So I put wheat. I thought, well, if I had some cover, I could plant them and it'd be better. So we put wheat out on there. We got wheat beans, and they were doing good, growing fine, all that. It's just, it got so hot and dry that the deer didn't have nothing else to eat. So they flat wore these beans out. And really just this one farm. Now the farm we come from over there, those beans did good. They probably did in the 50s. And for me, that's pretty good for wheat beans. And we still got one more field on this farm to cut, and we went down there to tear that beaver dam out so we can get across the slough. And those beans at the bottom are probably 2 foot tall. It looks like the deer have only ate the outside probably 6-12 rows on them. In Stockfield, they have ate all the rows, every row. Matter of fact, they have even ate the pods off the beans. So, you know, it's a stupid deer. I'll just say that, stupid deer. I'm running like 4.5 miles an hour, ain't even slowing the combine down. These things probably ain't worth cutting. But I'm gonna cut them. I'm here anyways. And I don't want to have to drag a bush hog back up here to knock them down. I'm even hitting some spots that are like 6 inches tall. But luckily there's enough wheat stubble here that they're feeding in. So that's all these sucky beans. We'll go down in this bottom and try to cut some good beans. Maybe, just maybe, fingers crossed, there's good beans down there. Might not be, might be back into some more suck beans, but we're gonna get done. Gotta drop his head, that way we can get across the slough. Just gunning it. Probably should have put that in four-wheel drive for him. Oh, you got it. Spin them. Throw mud all over it. Stay with her. Dadgummit. Just whip out right there. Yeah, just whip out through there, it'll be fine. There she goes. Hopefully we can get out a little bit further and it'll be better. So I'm going to open the field up some. I'll catch up with you on this a little bit. Come back up the top here at the buggy. Well, them beans in the bottom, they are rocking the suck really hard. Woo. What look to be good beans are not good beans. In fact, when we pulled down in that field, there was probably 20, 25 turkeys out there. We got across. Just got work. Got over to the last farm. It has, we've been rained out since basically Friday night? Friday night? Yeah, we're going Friday night. I think we got rained out Friday night. Yep, we tore up Beaver Dam Saturday after the rain. So today's Wednesday. Alex has been back here cutting since about, I think he got back here, it's 2:30 here now. I think he come back here about 12 o'clock. So he's probably been going about an hour and a half back here. Down 2 small fields. Everything holds up together. Fingers crossed. We done today. That's the plan. Don just called me. He's waiting on me to get back here with him. I'm going to take the truck across the slough
I think he actually maybe across the slough already in the backfield. Combine it back there. So we'll need the grain cart to haul beans back and forth across the slough. We don't want to take a dump truck across the slough. And actually, the slough, if you watched last video, the end of it, we turned out the beaver dam. That's the lowest we've seen water in that slough in a long time. We've been farming this place for several years now. I really don't know how many. And we've had water that low before, but it's been a while. And we could have got by without tearing those beaver dams out, but we did anyway. So that's about the water level the slough should be. It's probably about 8 inches deep in spots. It's not that bad. It's the depth it should be. But still, we don't want to take a dump truck back across it. So we'll take a grain cart back and forth, truck grain out. I think it's just, I think it's 15 acres across the slough. Maybe, I don't know. It's not much left across the slough. But we'll go back here and see what we can do. We did see a couple spots where beavers had ate all the beans back there. And they built dams, they're eating beans. That's where we're at. So we are going to go jump in the blue truck here with Don and get across the slough. See what I'm getting into today.
Yeah, like I was saying, these beans ain't doing too hot either. So when I pulled down here, I noticed there's about 20-25 turkeys out in the field. There's across the other side, and it looked like they were pecking at the soybean plant. Well, I get to the other side of the field, and those beans, all the pods have been pecked open, and the beans are gone. And you get out and look, and there was beans on the ground, turkey tracks, turkey poop everywhere. If it ain't deer, it's turkey. And yeah, these beans are going to sum up the year, which ain't too great. But on the bright side, everybody's alive and everybody's healthy, so we got that going for us. We get turned around and show you how much I've cut to fill the combine up. So we've cut well over half the field down here. Probably cut 2/3 of it, maybe even 3/4 of the field. I'd say 3/4, yeah. Yeah, I'd say we're well over 3/4. Bet we probably won't have about, oh man, maybe 20 bushels left to cut. There's little piles of trash. That's where the water got up in this field. I think it got up right after I planted it. There's another little pile of trash right there. So that is corn stalks from last year. There's pine needles that washed out of all them pines. There's pines down here on another farm. Let's see. Got hot, dry weather. Hot, dry. Had water up on it. So we went planted, water up on it. Then it got hot. Then it got dry. And then the deer come out. It looks like the turkey's been working on it too. So, yeah. I'm just glad to get what I'm getting off of it. So we're gonna get cracking on the last of it. And you get out here, you can see that them turkeys, stupid turkeys, have been working on the beans pretty hard. Outside edge, it wasn't hardly anything. On that part of the field over there, the beavers cleared it out. Almost 24 rows in. This back was dead corn over here. Looked like it grounded out. On this side over here, the beavers have come in and cleared a bunch out. Plus the deer and the turkey. I've had really good beans there before. It's been three years since I've beans down here. Like last time I had beans down here, they did like 65 bushels. They did really good, but not this year. way these things are yielding. So it was last Friday when we finished up cutting. It got rained out, and I kind of quit because I was getting tired about 10 that night, maybe 10:30. And let's see, it's 2:30 now. We didn't start cutting till 11. No, it's 12. Yeah, we ain't been cutting about 2.5 hours, so I might have should have just powered through last Friday night and finished cutting these. I didn't know they was going to yield this bad. I was concerned about running out of room, and it looks like that was not a concern at all. On rough figures, looks like this farm's going to average probably about 10 bushels an acre. Maybe 9. Not great. Not great at all. Worst beans I had this year. Worst beans. Had some real good beans, had some bad beans. Yeah, here's a spot right here. Boom, there's nothing. Nothing right there. Sleeping deer. There's a spot where the deer been bedded down. Looks like it cleared out about a 20-foot diameter. You can see on the thin spots here where the turkey's been scratching up and getting beans. Look at whether it's thin. Getting down to the short roads now. That's it, folks. That is all of the soybeans for 2022. And, yeah, it ended on a high note, but we're done. And we got just a dab back here. Just a dab. So, yeah. We're going to start the equipment shuffle, get the combine back, so we can get it washed up, get everything moved around, and we'll catch up with y'all when we start moving.
All beans for this year. Feels good to be done. Feels good to be done. Hey, remember, thumbs up the video, helps us out. Hit that subscribe button down there while you're kicking buttons too. We're gonna get this grain cart empty. I think we'll let Don throw and take his dump truck to town. It's 3 o'clock here. He can get town before they close at 4. We'll start getting some moved. Yeah. Finish up our week tomorrow then. That's the plan.
Hey, make sure you shift the transfer case out of 4-drive too.
It seems to be in 2. It's the light on the dash. It don't work. The light works right.
That line ain't worked in 20 years.
Well, let me double check that then. It's all the way forward. I guess it is.
Well, roll on.
Okay, here we go.
You're way far ahead of me.
I see that, so I got here. I'm slowed down.
He gets excitable. Like, gotta go, go, go. Combine's back in the shed. We got to go get some more stuff. We'll catch up with y'all then. We're back, live back. Got the old desk hooked up. Get this nice knife to chop on this corn stuff. I'm getting the last bit of the wheat ground prepped up. chop an angle on these corn stalks. That way I get them knocked down better. And then I can come back and run straight after they spread the wheat. And this farm, second year of farming, third year, something like that. Anyways, I had a couple years. I wanted to get a disc in here to smooth the roadside. We got some holes that we just passed up. The big armadillo hole. Come knock it on the way back by and fill it in. You know, tooling along just fine and whatnot, and you smell something funny. You think, what in the world is that smell? And you get out, you notice fluid everywhere. Everywhere. And, let's see. If you look way up there, way up there, I have had a return hydraulic line get loose. So, letting the tractor cool off. Big Don's gonna bring a service truck up here. We got to pull the hood up. And maybe it's just loose, maybe it's not broke. But it's through all kind of hydraulic fluid. Got it up on my exhaust manifold. Loaded up on the turbo. Throwed it all back here. You know, you think you're making good time, man. You're not. You're not. We've about got about half this place done. Oh. What is this? Look at that, missing half a blade. Shouldn't be able to do that. That's good. That's what you want. Either that one, that one's got it in it. We're going to do some rock picking up here too. My goodness, I turned up some darn chunkers. So, got a bent blade, busted blade, hydraulic line down in the tractor. Good day. We'll definitely get done before that rain comes in this evening. Oh, there she comes. I think I got it, Don. Good deal. Okay. Here, back to running. Only a slight delay. Yep, I shut the door. And we're moving again, folks. Look at there. Under her own power. And it was still under her own power. She was just spraying hydraulic fluid everywhere. Only took an hour to fix it. Had the hose at the shop, went to make the new piece of hose. The problem was I didn't have any hose clamps. If one hose pipe was busted, changing it. So we had to make a run out to the store and buy some hose clamps. I'm not going to get done today what I was going to get done. I'm going to get some stuff done.